Congratulations, Jeff and Angela. Kung nakikita ito ng lolo mo, lola, sigurado happy sila. Advice ko lang lagi kayong magmahalan at habaan ang inyong pasensya.
Congratulations, Jeff and Angela. Mag-enjoy lang kayo at mag-ingat palagi. Congratulations and best wishes from Punsalan family.
Hi, Jeff and Angela. Congratulations kay kayong darat ang wedding. Sana in-miss ko kaya kayo. Nakarabot kayo ang pong tiwala. Okay, bye-bye.
Congratulations, Jeff and Angela.
Wishing you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and laughter. Best wishes!
Let's celebrate soon. See ya!
Hello, Jeff and Angela. Congratulations and best wishes. Yun lang.
Hi Jeff and Angela, the two beautiful souls. Congratulations on starting something beautiful. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and beautiful memories together. May God bless your marriage. 12 miles apart. We are sending you our congratulations and best wishes.
Congratulations and best wishes. Cheers!
Cheers! Joy! God bless!
Two souls, one journey, a road to forever. Hi, Jeff and Angela. I would like to say congratulations and God bless you always and stay safe, okay? Bye!
Hi Jeff and Angela, the two beautiful souls. Congratulations on starting something beautiful. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and beautiful memories together. May God bless your marriage. 12 miles apart. We are sending you our congratulations and best wishes.
Congratulations and best wishes. Cheers!
Cheers! Joy! God bless!
Two souls, one journey, a road to forever. Hi, Jeff and Angela. I would like to say congratulations and God bless you always and stay safe, okay? Bye!
Jeff and Angela. Congratulations. Best wishes.
Ciao, tutti.
Ciao, come stai? Bang bang. Congrats. Ingat.
Nasa bahay may congrats. Jeff, wala ka pilang pa. Kalati mo. Nini, may kasawa na ka. Congratulations kaya kayo madua. Sana may kalad kayo. And
Ingat.
ingat. We love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Congratulations, Man and Jeff.
Congratulations sa ating man, Kuya Jeff.
Congratulations po Ninong Man and Ninong Jeff.
Advice ko, respect each other, love each other, and pray God always together.
Ayun. And sana magkaroon na rin kayo ng ganito soon. God bless.
Alright.
Hi Nina and Kuya Jeff. Congratulations. Happy ako sa araw ng kasal nyo po. At gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na sana ingatan at alagaan nyo po ang isa't isa. Lalong-lalo na sa mga problemang dadating, naway sabay nyo itong haharapin at lalagpasan. At maging matatag po kayo sa mga hamon sa buhay. Ninang, may ninong na ako. Congratulations po ulit. Ingat po kayo palagi, Mama.
Hi, Man and Jeff. Congratulations to the both of you.
We are so happy for you and all excited for the adventures, travels, and beautiful memories waiting ahead.
Sayang talaga at hindi kami nakapunta, but know that we are celebrating your love from here and we are raising a toast for this new beautiful journey ahead.
Yes, as a fellow newlywed, isa lang yung mapapayo ko sa'yo, Jeff. Ito nag-work sa amin. All para smooth lang lagi. Always say yes, yes, yes. then figure out the question later. Ika nga nila, happy wife, happy life. Diba?
Grabe siya. Kay Maan naman, syempre, patience lang talaga and understanding kasi yan lang naman talaga ang panlaban natin lagi. Anyways, wishing you both a lifetime of happiness, laughter, patience, and endless reasons to choose each other every day. Congratulations again and best wishes to the both of you. Bye! From Cebu to Rome, with love.
Part 2. Jeff, welcome to the family. Sana maging masaya ka sa pamilya namin. And hug to you and hug to everyone.
Maan and Jeff, congrats sa inyong dalawa.
Jeff, Maan, ni hao ma. Welcome to the family. See you soon. Congratulations and more blessings to come. Bye-bye!
Congratulations, Maan, Jeff! Best wishes! Maan, nawa pagpalain kayo ng buong may kapal na maging maayos ang buhay may asawa ninyo at naway laging maging maayos ang pagsasama niyong mag-asawa. Magmahalan kayo habang buhay. God bless you.
Congrats!
Congrats, Ate Maan, Kuya Jeff. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa.
Congrats, Maan and Jeff. Best wishes. Masaya kami na ikinasal na kayo. Kanina pa practice. Ubus na yata yung luha ko. Naiiyak na talaga ako habang nagsasalita. Masaya kami pa lahat. Sana hanggang dulo ay kayo'y nagsasama, maging tapat sa isa't isa. Bawat desisyon inyong pareho kayo na gusto sa bawat pagsubok, tibayan ninyo inyong sarili. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, maraming pag-ayaw na, ayaw agad. Hindi dapat sa bawat problema pag-usapan. Kasi hindi naman nawawala ang pagsubok sa bawat buhay may asawa. Ay maging matatag kayo. Mahalin niyo ang isa araw-araw. Lagi kayo magdasal na sa bawat araw maging matatag kayo. Maging maganda ang buhay. Sana magkaroon kayo ng magagandang anak. Sayang, hindi nga ako nakarating ko, pero ako'y natuwa at ako'y isa sa kinuha niyo para maging pangalawang magulang niyo. Jeff, mahalin mo si Maan. Sa bawat pati ugali niya na buong siya. At ikaw, Maan, mahalin mo si Jeff kung ano si Jeff. Nauubos na yung luha ko sa kaya. Kanina pa namin pinanaktis ni Diana. Kasi tuwan-tuwa kami. Nasaan na kayo? Sana magsama kayo hanggang dulo. At yun na ang best wishes at maging maligaya kayo sa araw ng inyong kasal. Salamat. Good luck and bye-bye.
Congrats!
God bless!